Good morning, students. Today is Friday, 10 July 2020. You are welcome in the Physics class 10th PTB, and all of you know that we are studying chapter or the unit 11, and today we are going to talk is article 11.3 and 11.4. The topic is a reflection of sound mean echo. Everybody of you know that what is reflection? That when waves of light or sound strike with another medium, moves in the air and strike with the hard things like hills or the mountains or high building or the big hall, light strike or the sound strike with the wall and it comes back. This phenomena of sound is called reflection of sound. But our focus is not to study normal reflection. We are going to learn about echo or echo. Echo is also the reflection of sound. When sound is incident on the surface of the medium, it bounces back, of course, unless the sound strike with some hard medium like wall or mountain. When sound is incident on the surface of medium, it bounces back into the first medium. First medium means we are talking about the air, that sound travels through the air and hard medium like wall or the mountains or hills. When comes in its way, it bounces back. This bounces back, this phenomena of reflection is called sound. Mean it is normal reflection of the sound. Or this is a special, particularly it is called echo. In echo, some conditions are there. Everybody of you know that the sensation of sound, it remains, sensation means the effect of sound remains human brains for zero point 0.1 second. It means that if a sound comes within the zero point 0.1 second and again strike enter into our ears, it will produce the echo, and both of the sound, the echo and the first sound, will be hearable. If we do know that speed of sound in air is normal temperature, at normal temperature is V is equal to 340 minute per second. It moves in the air, it travels in the air with this speed at normal temperature and strike with the wall or the hills and come back within the zero point 0.1 seconds. Normally, this effects remain, the effect of sound remain in our brains for zero point 0.1 second. If within this second, if within this small interval, the sound bounces back and again here, So both the sound once that it produces and after the reflection, both of the sounds they touch with our mind's brain within the 0.1 second we will hear the echo. So we can count the distance, that how much distance is normally required to produce the echo. We know that v is equal to 340 meter per second and time t is equal to 0.1 second. Let we count it mathematically. 2s is equal to Vt. This distance is considered for the echo. Why? Because once the sound goes and strike with the cliff or the wall of the hall and again back and come to our ears. So 2 times s. Once it travels and hit with the wall or the high cliff and again it backs to our ear. So this 2 times distance for the echo is equal to V into T. 340 into 0.1, it comes 34 meter. And S will be equal to 34 divided by 2 equal to 17 meter. It means that it is the minimum distance that required to hear the echo. So echo will be on that place in which the sound produced body and the wall in front of it with whom it should have to bounce, it must be at least 17 meter. So by the help of this, we can also find out the speed of sound. Normally, you have studied in your 9th class S equal to Vt. This equation you have studied. S, the distance covered by the body, is equal to the product of the velocity and time in which the body covers that distance. So wavelength is the distance covered by the one sound wave. So if we represent this wavelength, the lambda is equal to s, the distance covered, and time covered by the one wave, time for the one wave to complete, that is time period, and that is represented by capital T. If we change the s by lambda and t, small t, by capital T, we can write the same equation, that s, in place of this equation we can write lambda is equal to Vt. So by placing the value of capital T, we have studied that capital T, the time period, is the reciprocal of frequency. So if we replace this time period with the frequency, reciprocal of the frequency, you will see that it will be written like this one, V into 1 over F. Now F will multiply on left side with the lambda and it will become F is equal to lambda. So lambda, F lambda is equal to V, and V stands for the speed of anything. So here we are studying the sound, therefore the speed of sound can be written as F into lambda. So thank you students, I think that you may have studied. This is also called the V or speed, frequency and wavelength relationship. This equation is also called the equation of sound. So thank you and God bless you. Tomorrow, by using this formula, we will perform some, we will solve some numerical problems and numerical examples. So thank you, God bless you, have a nice day, and tomorrow again we will be able to see each other.